Moving right along, Vince Whalen is a representative of JCB.
Thank you, Roger. It's good to be here.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, you too, sir.
How are things going?
They're going very well. The show is exciting. There's a lot of people in the show.
A lot of traffic.
Yeah,
This is the first day of the show, but a lot of traffic.
We got a lot of people seeing our iconic dancing diggers. You know, the dance diggers are there, the girls are out there. So it's going really well. It's really good.
Tell us what you brought to the show this year.
Well, this is a really good opportunity for CONEXPO to show our Tier 4 requirements for our machines. So we've got a brand new 3CX, which is JCB's entry-level 3CX with Tier 4 engine, no DPF, no aftermarket solutions needed, which is a very big, innovative way that we've gone about the engine of the Tier 4 solutions
globally. Now, this is a backhoe product.
This is the backhoe product. So it's much more aligned to the rental industry. It's got an innovative cab where you've got guys getting in and out, multiple drivers, multiple operators. We've looked at space, innovation in how the machine works, how it actually works on the job site too, especially in rental where potentially it's in and back out again.
Yeah, exactly right.
We also have our new generation compact excavators, being an 8-ton and a 6-ton machine.
There's a CTX and a ZTS.
So zero tail swing
and
conventional tail swing. 17,000 pounds.
Compact excavators.
Yes, sir.
Wow. And these are as well Tier 4?
They are Tier 4. They are Tier 4 as well. So JCB Diesel bipolar engine. Very powerful machine, very robust machine. We've gone with because of the need for Tier 4, gives us the opportunity to just redesign everything, to relook at the way we've gone about our product. JCB's always had innovation. It's a very key part and parcel of what we profess globally. So this was a really good idea of looking at how we look at live track or live link on the machine. Where's your machine? GPS holding. So this is a really good opportunity for us.
Now, you are also bringing a high-visibility telescopic handler.
That is correct.
To the market this year.
That is correct.
Tell us a bit about that.
So yes, we have our 525/60. So it's our compact telehandler, or compact load all as we call it. But it's industry-leading, 20-foot reach, 5,500-pound machine capacity. Yeah, very small and compact, excellent turning circles, very good for things like getting in parking lots, where traditionally you wouldn't think of having a construction machine. The 525/60 has been exactly designed for that reason.
Well, there's a lot of interest, I know, in your product line because of the fact that you try to meet a certain footprint, so to speak, if I'm getting that right.
That's absolutely right.
And it's been very well served by you. Now, give us an idea what these new impositions of the so-called emissions laws, and what does that do to a company like you? The research and development has to be just tremendous.
It is, and so thankfully, because of the design of the JCB engine, there's very key principles that the company has. And our founder, Mr. JCB, he was singly obsessed on producing the best construction engine we can, and we have that now. So that innovation and design has been in play for 15 years. And now when it comes to the emissions, we actually find ourselves ahead of the game. We come to the market with no DPF needed in 4i, and with Tier 4 finals, some of the machines, no AdBlue solution either. So you're right, there's a lot of invested time, effort, and money to get a solution that's right for the customer.
That's an important factor for people that don't want to have to get into all of this alternative stuff just to meet a regulation piece of equipment like Tier 4, and then have to go out and buy all DEF and everything else. So that's a key important factor for you.
And yet, at the same time, we made a decision as a company that we weren't going to impact what we consider to be the most important aspect of a machine, and that's how the operator sits in it and works in it. So the cabs, we didn't have to shorten the cabs out. We kept visibility all the way around the machine because there's no DPF on top. It means that we can actually see behind you when you're working, see around you when you're working. Safety's key in our company.
Well, if you're at the show, certainly stop by and say hello to the folks at JCB, and obviously if you're not, stop in and see JCB dealer.